How do I find the time difference between two datetime objects in Python? How do I tell the time difference in minutes between two datetime objects?
Subtracting the later time from the first time difference equals later underscore time. First underscore time creates a datetime object that only holds the difference. In the example above it is 0 minutes, 8 seconds and 562,000 microseconds.
Using datetime example. Duration in years. Duration in days. Duration in hours. Duration in minutes. Duration in seconds. Exclamation mark. See warning about using duration in seconds in the bottom of this post. Duration in microseconds. Exclamation mark. See warning about using duration in microseconds in the bottom of this post. Total duration between the two dates. Or simply, edit 2019. Since this answer has gained traction, I'll add a function, which might simplify the usage for some. Warning, caveat about built-in seconds and microseconds. Datetime.seconds and datetime.microseconds are capped to 0,86400 and 0,10 to the power of 6, respectively. They should be used carefully if timer delta is bigger than the max returned value. Examples: end is 1 hour and 200 microseconds after start. End is 1D and 1 hour after start.
New at Python 2.7 is the time delta instance method .total_seconds. From the Python docs, this is equivalent to td.microseconds plus td.seconds plus td.days 24 times 3600, 10.6, 10.6. Reference this URL.
Just subtract one from the other. You get a time delta object with a difference.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.